Working on a 99 Toyota Tacoma. Frame's rusted in two. It bolted right there. He pulled a tractor with it a couple days ago. And the bed and the cab kind of separated. So we're going to try to make some panels to put in here and cut that out. Fix it. You can see where the frame bent the other day. The rest of the frame's in pretty good shape. We'll see if we can fix these. We got a jack under it now. Jacking the back up because that body line there was out of whack. So let me get to cutting and grinding and see what we come up with.